Hello and welcome back to my channel. Go ahead and don't forget to like this video and subscribe. And if you need the king size KitKat template, it will be available in the description box below. And if you would like to make these super cute and adult friendly, if you know what I mean, KitKat bars for Valentine's Day or any other occasion, make sure that you continue to watch this video and give us a thumbs up. The template. I had to change it a few times and I realized I have to change it one more time, but I just like my template to be able to overlap. Y'all see this overlap right there? When I go to do any type of gluing, I might do this with label paper, but I have to flip the bottom upside down so that everything reads the correct direction when I go to make it. But this is the template. Everything else is coming out right. I have my templates on Etsy to download. Here's the front. And my printer doesn't print on regular copy paper. After I print it on glossy paper, I have to clean my brushes. I haven't done that yet. That's why it looks crazy like this. But the white parts are actually supposed to be black. But all right, guys, so we're going to jump into the tutorial here. Unfortunately, when I went to go ahead and screen record my original design that you'll see me put together at the end of the video, it did not upload into my Vimeo, and I completely lost the footage of me doing that particular design. But what I did go ahead is I erased the background. And I'm going to just quickly redo a new template just so you guys can see how I work on top of my template. Okay. So I'm just deleting the things from the old design, and I'm going to upload a new background into this design so that so you guys can see how I do it. So I'm going to go ahead and add the KitKat logo. Again, I am making these KitKats for Valentine's Day. So I did want to make them a little bit more for adults. So it does say, break me off a piece of your KitKat, if you know what I mean. But again, if you are using these for children or somebody who's not of age, of course, you don't have to make it say that. But this is the design that I wanted to do. But you're free to do it and design it however you like. So again, I am just designing on top of my template. And what I'm doing is I'm going to go ahead and erase that background. Now I'm going to go ahead into Google and I'm going to search a background that I want to use on top of the template. So I'm trying to find something that I feel like will be good quality, and I do end up clicking this kind of sexy pattern here, but I end up not using it just because I wanted to try something that was a little bit more risque as far as the design. So now I'm going back in and doing another search and just seeing what I would like to use. So I end up searching kisses background and finding a background that I wanted to use. And I ended up choosing this Kiss Me background here, and I'm going to upload it into Canva. And I'm going to stretch it behind everything that I already have and pull it down so that it matches the entire size of my template. So here, I'm just going to go ahead and change the colors of the words that I already placed from the previous design. And again, this is pretty similar to the same way that I designed on top of my template for my sweet tart box tutorial. So if you would like to see how I design on top of my template, you can go ahead and also watch that video as well. So now I'm placing the logo back in the middle and just changing the font around the logo to go with the color scheme. I went with pink just because I was trying to do something different. And again, like I said before, I normally don't play around with the settings, the color settings in Canva, but today I just decided that I was going to do this since the other recording of my other design did not upload and it deleted itself. So I just figured, hey, this is a good opportunity for me to just try something new. And I'm only going in and adding a picture, one picture. And again, I'm going to add a shadow. I always add shadows to all of my pictures that I put into my design so that they can pop and have some type of dimension in the design in there so they don't look flat. So here we are going to change the shadow on the bottom of the KitKat and make that pink as well. Now I'm finishing up my design. It's pretty much finished. I added my nutrition facts to the bottom. And here you can see me printing out the first design that I made for the KitKats here. And now I'm going to go ahead and cut the edges out of the design because we will not be using them once we put it on the actual KitKat bar. Now I'm going to go ahead and just make sure that my KitKat bar does fit the template. I'm going to put this inside of my Xyron Creative Station and just try my hand at seeing how using this as a label instead of just using hot glue will work on this kind of party favor. So I'm going to peel off that clear top and then peel off my KitKat bar. Then I'm going to find a good part to position the back. So I'm going to start off with the nutrition facts and then fold everything over the entire KitKat bar. And I did mess up here. Again, this is my first time doing it this way. And I actually ripped the paper a little bit, but I wanted the top portion to be folded down first. And now I'm sealing the ends just by closing it because the entire piece of paper has the adhesive on it. And I think this makes the design look so clean. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my crimper. And I'm going to grab my crimper and I'm going to go ahead and crimp the edges just because that is exactly how KitKat bars look. And I just love this because it just adds a really nice touch to it. So I crimped both sides, and now I'm going to go ahead and grab my serrated scissors and cut off the excess that I don't want. And this is the finished look, guys. I really feel like this looks so nice. I'm so in love. Thank you for watching. Go ahead and follow us on social media and go ahead and subscribe to our page. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.